Are you making the decision, Case Keenum gives me the best chance to keep my job? Or is he saying Case Keenum gives this organization the best future right now? And I don't know. I don't know what Gruden thinks. I don't know what Bruce Allen's going to force. I don't know what Daniel Snyder's going to force. I think Gruden wants to start Case Keenum and bristled at the idea that he was going to go to Dwayne Haskins last night after the game. Because I think he goes, look, Case Keenum's at least a veteran. He's been in an NFC championship game. I can win 6 games with him. I can hold off the Wolves on Dwayne Haskins until later on in the season. We can bring in Dwayne in December, get him 2 starts maybe, and then say, okay, now next year we can have a quarterback battle between Alex Smith and Dwayne Haskins and see how that unfolds if Smith is going to come back and be able to play. I think that's what Gruden wants to do. The problem is Gruden going to be able to do that if they're 0-5, 0-6, 1-7? I mean, is he really going to be able to call off the dogs and keep everybody at bay and say no Dwayne Haskins this season? Because in his mind, I bet that he goes, Haskins is nowhere close to ready, and people don't realize that. And we can throw him out there, but we're going to ruin him, and he's not going to give me a better chance to win because he's so raw and unready. He is so unready right now. I think Gruden's going to have to fight this behind the scenes. And in public, it's not going to be easy because Case Keenum's going to look like that at other points this season because that's Case Keenum. Now, he was better in week 1 and week 2 than he was last night. Way better. In week 1 and week 2, he wasn't terrible. They just lost games. Last night, he was terrible. But I don't think Washington should start Dwayne Haskins, and here's why. If Washington was a healthy, functional organization, they would have a plan here. This is how long we start Case Keenum for. This is when we will start Dwayne Haskins. We don't have to worry about people looking over their shoulder getting fired. We don't have to worry about a crazy lunatic as an owner. We have this plan, this plan. This is how it unfolds, and this is what we're going to do. The problem is they don't have that organization in that direction. But they should not start Haskins right now, and I don't think Gruden will because people don't realize Haskins is not ready.